no need for operator intervention. Hi, it's linked to safe action.
So that is not alarm. That is
Something like
that is message. That is message. That is alert.
Okay.
Message and alert is not qualifying alarm.
So in this case, we should not go to this PSAH because this is high alarm already.
We should assign the priority, Emmanuel. It's not like you should not assess it. You should assess it. You have to assign the priority for this alarm. Right. What configuration you have to put in the system for this alarm?
Okay.
But the most critical one and the criteria, we have to qualify the alarms against the required response time. So for the alarm related to safe, what's required from the operation? Nothing. It will be alerted only without any further action.
Correct.
But for pre-alarm, we have certain enough time, response time, to react before reaching the trip functions. This is my understanding. If I have not right, just correct me.
Yeah, if there is no operator response not required, I will share my screen for a time being.
Okay. Please.
Make the concept clear for us, please.
Yeah, true. You are able to see my screen?
Yeah, it is appearing.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think. So operator has to take timely action, then only it is considered. If it is not taking any action, so it is not justified. Not justified. Are you getting me? So if there is no operator intervention required, it is not justified alarm. It can be prompt or alert. If you see our PPT, alerts and prompts. You can give the prompts. You can give alert. You can give the message, but it is not qualifying the alarm definition. So those things which is going for automatic control. So why, let us put into the message, give the message, because operator intervention not required.
Okay.
Yeah. So, Emmanuel, can you share your screen?
It is not a message. It is a trip, right? So operator should know if there is a trip, correct?
Yeah.
But you have to assign the priority. Yes.
Yes. If the operator action is required, there is a trip. So operator must be alerted, and alarm should be there. So we will qualify.
Yeah, correct. Yeah, correct. That is I'm telling. All the trips, it's not default that you should not remove, neglect it. Should assign the priorities accordingly.
Yeah, we'll understand.
Yeah.
We'll assign the priority.
But the most critical for this case will be the pre-alarm itself to avoid the trip functions.